Welcome to myabaton.com, where we are addressing our low back PMS. A big thing with the low back is posture. We're going to show you some really cool tricks and techniques for low back posture. If you have a standing job, especially and that back is hurting, one of the things that you can do is just fire up your glute muscles, and this is pretty subtle, and you're going to rock your hips back. Okay, so you stand up nice and straight, and you just roll your hips back. Roll your hips back. So rock your hips back this way. And so you actually squeeze your glute muscles. You rock your hips so they're actually kind of going forward. This will ease off pressure off your low back. Oftentimes we get this really big curve in our low back, puts pressure on the spine. And so if we can rock our hips back, you just rock them and you hold that position, and that will help relieve a lot of pain for a lot of people. Now another thing you can do is while you're standing there, just to get yourself in good posture and good pressure through the spine, is you bring your shoulder blades down and in. Down and in, if you're trying to pinch them together in the middle of your back, that'll bring your posture up nice through your shoulders, bring your chest up, and then even a little bit of a hip rock back. And that'll put nice straight posture through that spine. Now obviously this is hard to do if you're trying to walk, but if you're standing there and you want to relieve some pressure and train those muscles, then you can rock the hips, bring the shoulder blades down and in, do them separately or do them together, and have great posture. We're working on posture, so we looked at standing posture, now we can look at sitting posture. This is good for cars, office chairs, couches, whatever. Most of the time we sit lazy in terrible posture. So one of the things that you can do, which I really love, is to get a lumbar roll. Now you can buy some, which you can get on our website, or you can get something like a towel and roll it up. And sometimes you have to play with the towel and how big it is. Sit up nice and tall in your chair, and you find the natural curve in your low back. And you can find that by just bending back a little bit and feel back where that curves. You put that towel roll right where that curve is, scoot your hips and seat back into your chair, and then sit back against that and roll over it. When you're in a car, this is really helpful for long distance driving, but even if you're watching a little TV or at your computer desk, the same tool will help you, because it keeps you upright, but you can still relax your back. It puts you in really nice posture and helps you stay there. If you start to get slouchy or lean forward, you'll feel that towel or foam roll or whatever you use for that low back start to slip or adjust, and you know that you're losing your posture. Huge piece for helping you have good posture and helping your low back. You should probably use this whenever you're sitting if you've ever had low back pain, and it'll help a ton.